Here I have Realme 9 Pro Plus, and today I'm going to show you how to update apps on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to go to the Play Store. Then here you have to tap on your icon of your account. Go to the Manage Apps and Device, and here you can see updates available. So here you can update your apps. For example, you can update them all by tapping Update All button, or you can just update any specific app which you want to have up to date right now. So yeah, you have some different options on how you can update your apps. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.